What is today actually? I think it's Tuesday.
Look at my pieces. I already got her a bundle of outfits.
Hey y'all, so like the first clip y'all gonna see is me opening up my PC because I just got it in the mail. I didn't really do an intro to that because I was gonna, but my mom and my sister came in when I was opening it and I was like, I'm fine doing it. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Kira. Let's get straight into this video. And today's video is going to be a reset video, but also a couple days in my life because it's kind of like all over the place. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see y'all at the end of the video.
Okay, Alfie snapped on the beat.
I'm tired of her bringing clothes here. You just keep.
Y'all, look at my pieces.
It's real cute or whatever.
It's real cute. And I got the little screen right here, y'all. I'm gonna put some stuff in it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously you already see me. It's a couple days later and it's, what is today actually? I think it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday and today we are doing a reset day on a Tuesday because why not? Right now I'm gonna hop in the shower and then when I get out of the shower we're gonna start throwing my bedding, taking it off and throwing it in the shower, in the washer. So before I go to bed, I have clean sheets. We're gonna change this bedding to my purple bedding, and then we're gonna wash all of that over there. That's all my work clothes that need to be washed that I have not been able to wash. I'm gonna hop in the shower, and I'm gonna see y'all after I get out. All right, y'all, my air on. I'm not turning it off because I'm really hot. We're gonna start this laundry, getting into it because this is gonna take me all day. So first, strip this bed so we can take that. And that's gonna be in the laundry first. Let's do it. Hey guys, so it's so much later in the day. I literally took a nap and everything. It's 10:13 right now. Right now, we have to fold my laundry because it just finally finished after a long day of just washing. So I'm gonna fold these clothes. You guys are gonna watch me fold them and I'm gonna put them up. I still have my other stuff for work hanging because it has to air dry. Y'all can watch me do that, and now I'll get back to y'all when I'm done.